Hello friends, my name is Aarti Gupta and you're watching my YouTube channel Education for Kids. Today's topic is Tooth Anatomy. Teeth are hard mineral-rich structures which are used to chew food. Adult mammals have four kinds of teeth: incisor, canines, premolars, molars. What is a dental formula? Humans have two dental formulae. The primary dentition 20 teeth, the permanent dentition 32 teeth, where I incisor, C for canine and M for molar. We have several types of teeth which are good for breaking down different types of food. Front teeth or incisor which cut food into bite-sized chunks. Sharp pointed canine teeth which can be used to tear chunk of meat and other foods. Molars and premolars which crush vegetable matter and other food into a pulp. Structure of the tooth. Teeth. All humans have four types of teeth: incisor, canine, premolars, molars. Incisors. Incisors are present at the front of the mouth. These teeth have sharp edges and are adapted for cutting food into small chewable pieces. Humans have 8 incisors. 4 incisors in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. Canines. Canines are also called cupids. They are situated at the corner of the dental arcs. They are characteristically sharp, elongated and pointed surface. Their primary function is to grip and tear food. Tough foods such as meat. Humans have 4 canines, 2 in the upper jaw and 2 in the lower jaw. Premolars. Premolars are also called bicupids and are located behind the canines. These teeth have a flat surface with ridge which is adapted for crushing and grinding food into smaller portions. Humans have 8 premolars, 2 on each side of the jaws. Molars. Molars are the largest and strongest teeth. It has a large and flat biting surface which is well adapted for grinding food. Humans have 12 molars, 6 in each jaw. 4 of those are wisdom teeth, which is also called the third molar, which comes between the age of 17 to 25. Wisdom teeth. Wisdom teeth also refers to as the third set of molars. They are vestigial and final set of molars. This set of teeth appear between the age of 18 to 25. Did you know is very interesting section. In 1866, Lucy Behrman Hobbs became the first licensed female dentist. The blue whale is the largest mammal on the earth, but it eats only tiny shrimp because it has no teeth. Tooth decay is the most common childhood disease. The tooth is the only part of the body that can't heal itself. Giraffe only have bottom teeth. Your enamel is the hardest part of our body. Our mouth is home to 300 types of bacteria. If you like the way as I am teaching, so like it and subscribe it my YouTube channel Education for Kids. Thank you so much.